Nestled at the edge of the Great Smoky Mountains, Gatlinburg is more than a tourist town. It's a place where mountain tradition meets quiet wonder. As the fog lifts from the ridges, the streets begin to stir, revealing a town shaped by generations of craftsmanship, hospitality, and deep connection to the land. Walking through downtown feels like stepping into a living postcard. Locally owned shops line the streets, each offering a glimpse into Appalachian heritage, hand-carved goods, homemade sweets, and stories passed down through the hands that made them. There's a rhythm here, slow and steady, inviting you to pause, listen, and linger. Art is everywhere, in the galleries, in the crafts, and in the way the town honors its roots. You'll meet artists who've spent decades perfecting their work, each piece echoing the textures and colors of the Smokies themselves. Then, the perspective shifts, upward. A cable car glides above the rooftops, lifting you gently into the sky. From this vantage point, Gatlinburg unfolds like a miniature world nestled in the folds of the mountains. The ride is quiet, suspended between town and wilderness, offering a moment to reflect on the scale and serenity of the landscape. The adventure continues. A glass-planked road stretches out before you, transparent, daring, and breathtaking. Beneath your feet, the forest drops away, and the mountains stretch endlessly beyond. It's a walk that invites courage, but rewards with clarity. A view of the Smokies that feels both humbling and exhilarating. beyond the town's edge, the mountains rise, silent, vast, and timeless. Gatlinburg serves as a gateway not only to trails and scenic overlooks, but to something deeper, a sense of place, of belonging, of being part of something older than ourselves.